Hello my friends and welcome back. Today I'm going to be taking you along with me as I do a little shopping in a couple different antique shops. It's been a while since I've had a chance to do this kind of shopping, so I'm super excited to see what I can find. At the end of this video I will share a haul from today's shopping trip, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Hopefully I will have some great goodies to share with you.
What's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive on the road with a couple of tunes in a car for two. Hey, darling, you know we're gonna have a really good time, driving in the middle of the night when the stars are bright. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city, let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey, come on now and take my hand. Let's get out, we can leave this city, let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand?
So I'm back at home now, and I'm going to share with you what I picked up today while I was out shopping. The first thing that I was super excited about were these tins. I'm always on the lookout for small tins, baking tins, that sort of thing. And I really like the colors of this one, the yellow, the white, and the red. I think that will go very nicely in my kitchen. This actually has stuff in it still. It's quite heavy. I can't remember how much this was, but I think it was like $2 or $3. And then I found this other one right here. This one's got stuff in it as well. This is a cloves one, and I really loved the red. I think that is so cool. This will look really nice either on my shelves or in my cubbies here in my kitchen. So that was a great deal. And I thought this was super cool. It is nutmeg. It actually has the nutmeg still in it as well. Look at that. Huh. So anyways, I don't know how much this was either. I think, because of course they always take all the tags off and everything, but I think it was like $2 or $3. And I just thought it was really cool. I don't have any like old boxes like this, and I just love old packaging. So of course I had to pick this up. I thought it was pretty cool. The first thing I bought today when I was shopping was this right here. It was from the very first store, and it is a hanging weight. It's a little a little rough around the edges, but I think it is so cool. I'm going to try to hang it somewhere in my kitchen. This was $18, and I just think it is super, super cool. So I am loving that. I bought another one, I think the last time I went shopping there as well, and that one is green and it's got red writing on it. So now I have two of them, so I think it would be kind of fun to use them somewhere in the kitchen. I'm thinking maybe in the corners of my kitchen, and then like hang a little pot from it with some greenery in it. I'm not quite sure, but I thought that was pretty cool. So I picked that up. And then with Easter coming up, I don't have a whole lot of Easter decor. So I was on the lookout for some things that I could use to decorate with. And I saw these little paper cutouts. And I just thought they were absolutely adorable. I love the lambs. I don't know if you guys remember, but I have a collection of lamb planters that I get out every single year for Easter. So I thought this would go very nicely with it. This was only $3, and it says Happy Easter to you, and I think it is just so adorable. So I picked that up for sure. And then behind it was this cute little duck one. This one is so cute too. This one is for your Easter. This one, does it say on it too? Yep, this one was $3 as well. And of course, I thought he was pretty cute as well, with this cute little basket with his little eggs in it. So that will be fun to use for my Easter decor as well. And then finally, the last thing that I found is something that I'm absolutely thrilled about. I have been on the lookout for a set of vintage tins that have the red and white on them. And look at what I found. This is so cool. Love the white background. Love the gingham along the bottom, the red cap, and then look at that. Yellow flowers. And you know what? I think these are pansies. And I used to be obsessed with pansies. So I thought that was absolutely perfect for me. I don't remember how much it was. I think it was only like $8. It's in pretty, it's in, you know, it's kind of in rough shape, but that's all right. It's purely for decor or for maybe putting a plant in or something like that in my kitchen. But regardless of what I use it for, I think it is going to look fantastic in my red and white kitchen. So I'm loving that. And lately I've really been loving the little pop of yellow with the red and white. So I don't know if that's something I'm going to continue to look for. I'm not real sure, but I am loving it. So it'll probably be added into my spring or summer decor. So loving my finds today. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's shop with me and mini haul here. I had fun taking you along with me as I did some shopping. I would love to know what you think down in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up, and if you're not yet subscribed, I would love if you could do that as well. Alright, my friends, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye now.